I said go to bed. I said go to bed.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to just do a little quick, well I say quick, we'll see how long it takes, frame by frame animation. I'm going to do a fan animation of this scene from The Simpsons. It's Lisa Simpson and she just says this short line, I said go to bed. I think that's the line. I'll play it now for you.
I said go to bed.
So just a short dialogue, not much in it, just slightly mouth changes, but I want to just experiment and try a bit more frame by frame stuff in Moho. So let's get into it and see how we do. So I've done a rough sketch of Lisa here. I've got the audio imported.
I said go to bed.
So now I'm just going to start by doing the roughs and the keys, and then on this rough frame by frame layer, which I've got set up here. And I've got the audio on another layer, and yeah, let's just start doing the roughs. So when she says I said, it's all in this kind of, this mouth stays with the teeth gritted, so we'll keep that like that really. And then when she said, sorry, we're going to make a new, might even duplicate this frame, I think, get the magnet tool, and we'll move these points downward maybe. I'm going to do a bit of cheating in this one. I'm going to try and just utilize the software's kind of features. Place some points here. Maybe we get a little tiny little kind of drop here. Said. Let's get a new frame here. Back up. Just trying to cut as much corners as I can. Get these eyes slightly higher. Said, so the mouth again is gonna kind of open up a little bit more this way. Maybe you go back to this frame, maybe. Said. Go. So let's make a new frame. Let's just do a new frame. Being a bit too lazy there. Outlines only. I said go, so it's gonna be go. So let's get this drawn in. On go, I kind of want the eyebrows to come lower again. Like if you're really angry now, you start testing the patience. So go. It's going to be the start of the G shape, so it's going to be this mouth shape, but just a bit shorter to kind of go into that G shape. That makes that O shape. Sorry. I'm going to raise the shoulder a bit. Can you hear my dog walking about in the background? And he's got his nose in. Like that. One, 2, 3, 4. The eyelashes. 3. There maybe. And we need the O shape. Here we go. Go. Here we need the O shape. Which is going to look a bit like, let me have a look. Okay, new frame. Let's bring this shoulder up again, slightly higher again. Go. So the mouth is going to be a little O now, something like this. Go. Like that. My dog is crying for me to pick him up and put him on my bed because he is a sausage dog and his legs are about 10 centimeters long, so he's never getting up there on his own. So yeah, 2 seconds, guys. First, got to go pick him up. I'll probably edit that out of the video, to be fair. Okay, I'm back. So we're on the go, the O shape. Go. Trying to keep everything as consistent as I can. Go. 2. Maybe this shape again for the T. And we could probably reuse reuse this as well for the 2. 2. Now we need a B shape. F. I forgot his eyelashes on that last frame, but it's okay, we can add them later. So let's get a B shape. It's going to be like this. Something like that, maybe. Do we need that lip? I think we do. I think we need that lip. Shoulder can come back down a bit now. So,
I said go to bed.
bed. Let's get a face. Mouth shape, sorry, not face. So it's like this. Something like this, is it? Yeah, that'll do. That's an E shape. I'm going to raise the eyes again a bit more now for the bed. The eyes open a bit more on the bed. Word. Did I even put people in that last frame? I didn't. There you go. Bed. If I am a bit quiet, it's because I'm just concentrating, so apologies for that. I get into a bit of a zone where I forget I'm recording. Yeah. Bed. Just gonna get that shoulder lower again. We can add the eyelashes in afterwards, don't worry about that. Bed. I think that's a good D shape.
I said go to bed. I said go to bed. I said
go to, let's just go, let's do this, let's do this. And then we'll go settle it back down into. Okay. Excuse me. So that's the rough lines drawn. So look at. Okay. So rough is done. I'm gonna take the opacity on this down now because it's just going to be a background rough guide. Apply. Okay. Now we want to add in the actual line work. So to do that, we need to go to frame 0, add a frame by frame layer, call it line, whatever you want to call it. And now let's go ahead and do that. This part here is going to be cut off. It's going to be kind of a square video, and I'll just blur the rest. So, but yeah, let's get into it now. So we've got the right line width. This is all looking good to me. Might go a little bit bigger. Let's go 5. Yeah, that's fine. And then let's just go in and start just fleshing out the drawing to a clean line. So frame 1, hit a new frame. And it's just this part's going to be just a case of tracing over what we've done. So I'm going to probably speed this part up for you guys so you're not just kind of bored. Right then, okay, so that's the line work done. I'll just play it out for you guys to see it. Oh, well.
Go to bed. I said go to bed. I said
Go to bed. Okay, so now I'm going to add the color. So we're going to add a new frame by frame layer. Just like this. Well, actually we'll add the background, so we can make that a vector, I guess. It's not going to make much difference. Call it BG. It's only going to be a solid color anyway, like it is in the video. Oh, it's gone into that frame by frame layer. We don't want that background behind there. Let's just get a shape tool. We've already got the color here, so I'm going to select this. Control click, maybe, is it? What's going on here? Is it on this layer? It's on this layer. Click. Okay, let's just get this. Make this a square. It's going to be this color. And then let's go. As you can see, it's a YouTube short, by the way. That's why it's this kind of dimensions. Let's get this line on the screen. And now we want to just add in the fills behind these lines, just like we did in cell animation days, I guess. So yeah, let's go here. Let's add a new frame by frame layer. Call it color. Brilliant. Freehand tool. The fastest way I think to do it is the autofill, and we're just going to select the yellow first and add in them now. So new frame, and let's just add in the yellows. Okay guys, I'm back. That's all the frame coloured in. Took a bit longer than I wanted it to, but there you go. It happens. There's got to be another faster way to do it, but I mean, if you think about back in the Disney days when they used to colour the cells, paint the cells by hand, I mean, sometimes you got to just get stuck in there, you know. I'm still going to be tweaking some things here as I go, but it's not perfect, but it's cool. I enjoyed the process. It was fun. Nice little experiment for me to try. Now what I want to do is want to give it that classic cell look, so I'm going to try to group, let's see if this works, group these two layers, the line and the color. Can I group them? Maybe I got to go on frame 0, that makes sense. Frame 0, group with selection. Now if I was to go into this group and give a shadow on, let's bring the shadow offset down, the blur down, bring the shadow right in, a bit more blur. That works, that's cool. Apply that. So now we've got that cell kind of look. We can hide that. Let's play it again and see what we got.
I said go to bed.
Okay, you can really see where the paint is coming out of the lines in some of these frames now, so I'm just going to quickly, and I mean quickly, just fix that a little bit. There we go. Okay, do you know what? I'm not tweaking anymore. It's fine. It's fine. I said go to bed. I'll export this as a short, and it'll be on my shorts, no doubt. And yeah, we can. I'm gonna tweak that part real quick, and we can just accept it as what it is, as just a quick frame by frame test. I say quick. I've been at it for 1 hour 10 minutes, so not very quick, but fun either way. It was fun. Yeah, cheers guys. If you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment, and if you like this kind of content, subscribe if you want to see more. Cheers guys, I'll catch you in the next one.
I said go to bed. I said go to bed.